2 weeks. We leave on the 25th. You just see, I'll just kind of put like what I would normally do.
Okay.
Kawaii.
Hey, look, guys.
I mean, it's a
Mini
succulent,
one.
so it doesn't need that.
Thing. Okay.
Yeah, and then some more of these. And this one's really
Ooh,
it's the last one.
yeah. What did they do? What did they get?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's part of her art.
Wow.
It's not wet, is
Didn't
it?
get wet.
I know.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, cool.
Laura, thank you so much for taking care of our plant.
Watered, 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 watered. Oh, Laura, you got up here? And these guys too, right? Did you get this one?
Yeah.
That one. Good, right?